gonna roll off. Be right back. Ty, the apples in the bowl, you washed them, right? Juicy. So, when you do this, typically what you're supposed to do is put water in it. We're using the Ninja. So what I want to do is cook a little bit and then add everything and speed the process along. I just want to make sure I got all the seeds out. They're just so in little tins. Okay, that's good. So I'm gonna use about half of them. There we go. Sprinkle of that. And some cloves. Not so much of the cloves. It's hard. This is cinnamon sugar, so I don't need to add any. I'm gonna wait till it all starts to cook a little bit and then taste it after I get the water on it to see how they like it. Power, air crisp. We're gonna bring it down a little bit simply because we are in an RV. And put it on for 19. All right. But I want it to be a little more crispy. Hold on. It's starting to caramelize a little bit. Like a little saucy sauce at the bottom. Put it on for another 20 and then we'll check it out. Alright, so looking pretty good now. It's been about 38 minutes and they look pretty well cooked. So I did 10 apples. With 10 apples, I do about half that amount of water. I put 2 tablespoons of this, dash of that, pinch of these. Might add more cinnamon when it's done. But now, set it for 4 hours and that'll be overnight for us. So we'll come back tomorrow, See how I go. We do this on bake. Wait, or is it slow cook?
It's slow cook, babe.
Never mind. I gotta switch this out. Let me cancel that. Stop. Stop. Hard to do better. There we go. Now we want to put it on slow cook, high, for 4 hours. We'll check back in on this tomorrow. We'll add the vanilla. I'm sorry, not vanilla, caramel, and one of these liquors. All right. Good night. Okay, so we ended up staying up and binge watching our TV shows. So it's only a few minutes left on the timer. There we go. So we're just gonna choose what liquor we want to put in. This one's already open. So as soon as the timer goes off, there we go. Quarter cup of liquor. Let's see. Quarter cup of that. And I did already add the vanilla. I'm gonna put in some caramel. You can use any caramel you want. We happen to find this at Hobby Lobby for the Lolo. I can't open it. A quarter cup of cinnamon whiskey. Whiskey in there. Now another cup of whiskey. Try and get that rinsed out so that you don't taste it. Strong, but other than that, I like it. About half the bag, so about 6 ounces of caramel. How is it?
Whiskey.
Too much whiskey? You think you need more water?
Need a second taste.
Definitely OD'd on the caramel on that one.
Oh, caramel's nice.
It is real nice.
Kind of full cup.
So it's good?
Yeah, it's good. Gives a nice.
Yeah, I think going forward, I will always use the salted caramel. It's a little thickety thick. I'm gonna make a little sample for Ty and I, then going to bottle the rest. Stay tuned to the end for the full recipe. Around here, we don't let anything go to waste, so I'm using the leftover apples and skins to make a cheesecake. I added cream cheese, butter, and brown sugar and blended that all together while my dough was cooking in a Ninja. Sorry, I won't be giving up the dough recipe.
I'ma beat you at your own game.
to go back to our TV night, drink our apple cider. We probably should be going to bed, but enjoy.
Phone just died.
Does your phone still save?
I hope so.